This is me talking about that stupid this soldering gun that I bought. This piece right here is what's broken. And it was soldered to this piece. Works great until you turn this thing on. Then the soldering comes off because this gets extremely hot. I don't know if I could light my cigarette with it or not. To show you how hot it gets. But if I was to touch that, of course I don't have it plugged in right now, but trust me, it gets hot. And this area here smokes because it's housed in plastic. But you see the discoloration? That's how hot that thing gets. And their genius way of making this thing was to solder this piece here to this piece here, which is stupid. Because once this heats up, the solder melts off. I don't know who developed this thing, but they're crazy. That wire I got on it holds it better than what they have.